Hey folks, how you doing today? Recently a gentleman gave me a call a little south of here. He wanted to sell some of his collectibles, so I was able to purchase these 4 gas pumps from him. These are 50s, 60s gas pumps. They're all steel. The pumps have been taken out of them. They're all nice and clean inside. They've all been primed and painted inside. So I brought them in and we did a service and detail. If there was any scratches or anything, we mixed up some nice color, touched them up, but these are in really nice, showable condition for your man cave or for you guys who have those hot rod cars. These are gonna look good in there. We'll start from the left here. This is a, Jeff looked these up for me, this is a Gilbarco 1950s. These are all just a little different, even though there's 2 Texacos here. They're just a little bit different. This one has the glass, this one doesn't have the glass. This has got a long and narrow, this has got a short and square. So we went through them. Once again, we touched them all up. We put all brand new light bulbs in them. If you are going to receive this one, this is your on and off switch right here. It is here. And then these 2 acorn nuts, you take these off both sides and that's how you replace the light bulbs on the interior. Clearly this just pops off. Here's another Gilbarco 1950s. This one also, your switch is here to turn it on and off, as well as you take this screw out to take this panel off and you can get in and replace the light bulbs. Over here we got a Wayne, 1950s Wayne gas pump. Once again, all steel. Somebody did a nice job on these. They're very, very presentable. They're gonna look good. And this one here has a on and off switch here. Here it has a panel on the side which opens up and then you release the 2 latches to change your light bulb on the interior. Over here we have another one which is a Bennett. This is a 1967 Bennett gas pump. Let me see if I can remember how to turn. Oh, and here is to turn the lights on and off. They all have exterior switches. What I think at one time would have been used to reset the numbers. Very nice. Once again, these have all been gone through. They're all clean inside, no pumps, they don't smell. On and off switches. I put brand new matching light bulbs and everything, so when you get it, you won't have to worry about that for a while. Super nice pair. What I'm gonna do is I'm only gonna do one video for all 4, and then I'm gonna bring them out individually, and we're gonna shoot our still pictures and list them individually. But so here's a nice set of 50s, 60s pumps. If you'd like them, they're gonna look good in your hot rod shop. So come one, come all, but we're gonna list them individually. We're gonna start taking pictures of them right now. So listen, thanks for your time as always. Remember, we're doing restorations, so if you have anything you'd like to have restored, guy called me recently from, I don't know, back east somewhere. He bought a safe in Ohio, sent me some pictures. I had my trucking company pick the safe up in Ohio. It's here. It's already out in paint. Got here last week. It's out in paint. We're gonna do all the pinstriping and everything. All he had to do was pick up the phone. It was a one-stop shop. Got it picked up for him. It's here, and we'll just send it back. All he had to do is make a phone call. So if you have any restoration, please feel free to get a hold of us. We'd like to take a look at it. We'll quote you a price. And remember, we can just get it picked up. It's just nothing but a phone call. Thanks for watching our videos. We really appreciate it. And somebody's good at some really nice and cool pumps here. What do you think, Walker?
I think that in your showroom, this is for you.
All these are glass, and by the way, all of these are glass, so that's cool.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.